How to change country in Grab app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can change country in Grab app. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Grab application in the mobile device and make sure to sign up with your account and then log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and then log in. Once you're logged in, now if you like to change the country, on your home page, if you navigate at the bottom right corner just above the bottom dashboard, there you can see the country flag. Tap on it. Now you can change the country with this given options. Now there you can see the location or the country is now changed to Singapore. If you would like to change it to another, again follow the same steps. Tap on the flag, select your country, and then it might ask you to select a city as well. Select a city and there you can see now the country is again changed. So that's how you can change country in Grab application, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.